guys, here's the dried piece. I'm going to repaint just the background, and we're going to resin it. So I'm going to use everything I've got, plus maybe 1 or 2 more colors in resin, and we'll see what we can do. Alright, see you in a sec. That is Color Cottage, 1 part coffee bean brown and 2 parts copper penny shimmer. This one is Stargazer from Tester Craft. This one is Stardust from Tester's Craft. This one is Artisan Pigments 24 karat gold. I'm adding some royal blue silk microfine glitter from Elizabeth Craft Designs. Okay, I prepped the canvas, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I did a black hole and then some indigo, and then I covered the rest of it with black. Okay. What do you think? I like this much better. Much more better. Okay, well, that's it for this video. I'll have to show it to you on my Wednesday's upload. I'm running behind on videos. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. This was fun. I really like this piece. Let me take my gloves off and we'll go in for a close-up. Look at the sparkle. Yeah, I like this. I don't know if I will play with that gold around the edge. Let's see if I can hold this and point it out at the same time. Ugh, my hands are shaking. See the right edge? It's too straight right there. That broke it up a little bit. Let's break up this. Now it kind of looks like a storm. There. Oh my God, look at the sparkle. Yeah, I like it. Okay, we're going in for close-up. Bottom right first. Let's see. Oh. Oh, if this doesn't sell, I don't know what will. This is too cool. Or is it just me? Am I the only one that likes it? Can't be. All right. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for everyone who has liked and subscribed already. And leave a comment as to what you think. Oof. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I try to do videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In the next one coming out, I'm doing a 3D mermaid cup, so keep your eyes tuned for that. It's looking pretty good so far. I really appreciate you guys coming and joining me today, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. You're safe, and love you. Bye-bye.